So we just demoed this out today. This is an old concrete pool deck, and check out the foot imprint of the broken skimmer and where the water was going for looks like years. I mean, literally all the way out here, all the way around where the patio cover post is, and then all the way back around here. This is a nightmare. And can you imagine not knowing how much water you're wasting over years? So another good reason why you should look at pavers. Pavers come with a lifetime guarantee. You can see sometimes when things start moving around. And when I shot the earlier video today, the concrete had lifted up just a little bit and it had settled right over through here. This whole thing was down, and the dirt is down. It's down about 3 inches from the dirt over here. So it had definitely affected it. Know what you're doing, get the right product, put interlocking pavers in, so if you have a problem, you can take it apart, fix it, and put it back together again. Can you fix that concrete? I don't think so. I know you can't. And then check this out. They built the wall right on top of the concrete, which is right over and through here. That's all sitting on top of the concrete. The planter was obviously a second thought, but as we start breaking things out, this whole wall now has to be changed out. So we're going to change it, lower it, run the pavers now to the wall on the far right hand side. That'll be taken care of. The pavers over here by the step, this whole step has to be changed because it's falling over here, and that's an existing problem. They didn't build the step right over here. They didn't put a footer underneath. There's concrete under there, but it's not the proper footer. You have to build it right. If you don't build it right, why'd you build it in the first place? And this one, obviously, same problem. There's no concrete underneath of that. I'm surprised during the last earthquake it didn't move more, but poor craftsmanship. But again, concrete guys come in fast, pour the concrete, and then they leave. No consideration for the reality of how long something should last. And yes, I'm a little tongue-tied today. And this is a good one. Check it out. Concrete inside of a drain. I mean, concrete guys, why do they pour concrete and pour some in the bottom and it sits? And you know what happened? Nothing worked for this drain. Nothing. Sorry, son had to make sure it was in the right direction. Hey, know who you're hiring. Know what's going on. Make a list and then ask to see the list to make sure everything lines up with your list, the contractor's list, and put pavers in. I mean, interlocking pavers, do you want problems? I don't think so. I fixed too many of concrete problems and other problems where, see that, whoop, where am I? There we go. That back wall, it's sitting on the concrete and it has to be demoed out. It didn't have to be demoed out before because we could have fixed, just butted the pavers right up against it, but there's no footer. So anyway, know who to call. Me. Dave Pratt, I'm out.